How to find the best mold removal company near me. Mold can appear in your home for any number of reasons, even here in Phoenix, where the average relative humidity rarely climbs above 30%. Leaky plumbing, roof damage, and insufficient ventilation in your home can each create an overly moist environment that promotes mold growth throughout your home. Finding and eliminating mold is important, but it can also be challenging. According to the EPA, mold is a significant source of indoor allergies. Getting rid of mold can be a long and tedious process, and you need to ensure you eliminate it completely or it could quickly come back again. Why you need professional mold removal. R2 Fire and Water have years of experience not only clearing away mold, but also making sure it does not come back. We can perform a proper assessment, tracking down the sources of excess moisture and determining the level of mold contamination throughout your home. Best of all, professional mold removal could end up saving you a lot of money over trying to do it yourself. You will spend less time on the problem, less money on materials, and run a lower risk of damaging the surfaces in your home with store-bought cleaners and chemicals. Trust a professional, and you can rest assured that the work will be done right the first time. Download the guide on this page to learn the questions you should ask before hiring a mold removal company. Mold damage restoration in Metro Phoenix. Despite what many people think, Phoenix has one of the highest rates of mold allergy sensitivity in the United States. Even with low humidity, mold can cause severe problems for many homeowners, which means having a mold remediation company you can trust is an essential part of keeping your home in top shape. Experiencing a mold issue? Request a rapid response from R2 Fire and Water for mold damage restoration in Phoenix. R2FW.com 602 698 9268.